Hello and welcome. Get ready because I'm about to tell you a secret. A super duper cool secret about how giant websites and even your favorite video games are built. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, first things first, I gotta ask you something. Have you ever built something huge with Legos? I mean like a giant castle with a zillion rooms or a spaceship so big it takes up your entire bedroom floor. Just think about all those little tiny pieces. Well, guess what? Building a website? It's just like that. It's like building a giant Lego castle. It has thousands, sometimes even millions, of tiny little pieces, and every single one has to click together just right for the whole thing to work. But what if one little piece breaks? Or what if you put a piece in the wrong spot? Oh no. Can you imagine having to check your whole giant Lego castle piece by piece every single day just to make sure it's perfect? That would take forever, right? Well, that's the giant job that website builders have. But wait, guess what? They have a secret weapon, a super duper helper that solves this big problem. Do you want to know what it is? Are you ready to meet our super helper? Okay, here it is. This special helper is called a framework. And a framework is really just a super awesome rulebook. But this book isn't for you or me. Nope. It's for a computer robot. It's an instruction book that tells a robot how to check our whole Lego castle for us, and it does it super fast. So you might be wondering, how does this rulebook even work? Come on, let's open it up and take a peek inside. It's all about 3 things: pictures, instructions, and special trays for staying organized. All right, the very first thing we see is called a feature file. That sounds complicated, but it's not. It's just a story, written in plain old English, that explains what we want to build. It's the big idea. Let me put it this way. It's the big, awesome picture on the front of the Lego box. You know the one. It doesn't tell you how to build it yet. It just shows everyone, hey, look at this cool spaceship we're gonna make. Okay, so we have the picture on the box. What's next? It's something called a step definition. Ooh, this is the secret code part. This is the file with the real computer instructions that tell our robot helper exactly what to do step by step. And what are these step definitions? They're just like the instruction booklet inside the Lego box. You know the one. It says, step 1, put the red brick on the blue brick. That's exactly what this is. It's the how-to guide for our robot. And look at this. This is so cool. On one side, our story says, when a user clicks the login button, and on the other side, the robot's instructions say, loginpage.click-login. Do you see that? The robot's code is just a secret language for the same exact idea. Isn't that awesome? Okay, but a master builder can't just have pieces everywhere, right? You've got to be organized. So our rule book uses special folders, which are just like those plastic trays that keep your Legos neat. The E to E folder is the tray for our pictures. The step definitions folder is the tray for our instructions. And there's another one called Fixtures. That's like a special little box for our extra special pieces, like the little Lego people or secret passwords. All right, every master builder knows there are rules. You can't just build whatever you want. To make something amazing, you have to follow the golden rules of building. These rules make sure our castle is super strong and will never, ever fall down. Okay, let's look at the rules. First, a big do. Always use special bricks called data sci. Think of them like Legos with a special mark on them so the robot can find them easily. Another do, put your instruction pages in order, with numbers. And definitely do keep your secrets like passwords in that special fixtures box. Now for the don'ts. Don't use wobbly pieces that could change later. The robot might get confused. And a super important one, don't just tell the robot to wait. That's no fun. Instead, tell it what to look for. All right, we've got our pictures, we've got our instructions, we know the rules, our robot is all charged up and ready to go. It's time to get building, or for us, it's time to test. But hang on a second. What if we have like 100 different Lego sets? How do we tell our robot which one to check today? What if we only wanted to check the spaceship and not the castle? Well, it's easy. We use special stickers, and these stickers are called tags. So we just pop a sticker on the instructions. A sticker that says @smoke means, hey robot, just do a super quick check for me. A sticker that says @regression means, okay robot, today's the big day. I need you to check everything. And one like @off could mean, robot, just check the login page today, okay? And then we say the magic words. Are you ready? It sounds like this. npm run smoke. When we type that in, it's like casting a spell. It tells the robot, go, only check the things with the smoke sticker. And poof, the robot gets to work. Whew, that was a lot of cool stuff. So let's remember our 3 biggest ideas. Number 1, we plan our websites with a picture on the box. That's our feature file. Number 2, we write secret instructions for our robot. Those are our step definitions. And number 3, keeping all our pieces in special trays makes building fast, fun, and really, really strong. Before we go, I have one last super duper cool fun fact for you. Did you know you can have 2 robot builders working at the exact same time? It's called running in parallel, and it means you get the job done twice as fast. How cool is that? So now you know the big secret of how websites are built. I have one last question for you. If you could teach a robot to build or test anything in the whole world for you, what would it be? Maybe a robot that checks your homework for mistakes, or a robot that builds you the most amazing treehouse ever. What would you pick? Think about it. Thanks for learning with me today. Bye.